And quite often severe thunderstorms can cause as much damage as some tornadoes. And still, we're looking at the threat over the southeast today. Some of the areas getting the strong storms, as you can see, as you get into areas in Alabama, just to the south and southeast of Huntsville, Alabama. Those are severe thunderstorms with a tornado tag. In fact, they had some tornado warnings a bit earlier down there. They're basically moving down to the southeast. We'd have some severe storms over west of here in the western part of North Carolina. So as far as a tornado chance today, we're in that 2%. That's a low end, but a non-zero chance does mean there's always the potential for a spin-up tornado. We'll certainly keep an eye on that situation throughout the day today. As this is radar at the moment, and once again, we show you that line of strong storms over there in parts of Alabama. You can see that line of storms is basically moving down to the southeast, and we have some storms here tracking out of Tennessee and the western part of Virginia into the western part of North Carolina. The line of storms stretching just to the west of Asheville and the Great Smoky Mountains. It would be over towards Waynesville along Interstate 40. You got some showers there. Bryson City getting some storms. All of those you get into areas in the extreme southwestern part of North Carolina over towards Murphy, North Carolina. Another band of some showers from Raleigh all the way down to Fayetteville there along the Interstate 95 corridor. They're moving away from us. We'll take a look at futurecasts. As we take it about 6 a.m., some heavy rain west of here along Interstate 40. This is about 7 o'clock this morning. If you've got travel plans along Interstate 40, maybe up 321 and getting to Interstate 40 over towards Morgan, and some very heavy rainstorms over there. This is 8 a.m. this morning. Between Taylorsville and Statesville, all the way down to the western part of York and Chester counties, a band of some heavy rain with some embedded thunderstorms. This is about 8 o'clock this morning. You can see from Charlotte to Rock Hill, all the way west of here and southwest of here along the I-85 corridor, some heavy rainfall. You can see this is about 9 a.m. this morning. Wouldn't be surprised we get some potential for some flash flood conditions within some of these. And also that line of storms starts to move off to the east about 10 and is east of Interstate 77, probably by lunchtime from Lancaster all the way to Cheraw there in South Carolina. As we check out and show you once again, look at these storm reports over the nation. A lot of those even in parts of North Carolina over the past several days. Check this out. We get to about 8, but I would say between 8 a.m. and 11. That's when we see that chance of some heavy pockets of rain, even some embedded thunderstorms. Lunchtime should be okay with temperatures in the upper 70s at that time. So the storm chances today, after that, we look at a frontal boundary that comes through that really doesn't bring us any rain, just drops that temperatures as we get into later in the week, Thursday and especially on Friday. For today, in the low 70s in the mountains, mid 80s here in the Charlotte metro area and along the Carolina coastline. Temperatures out there in the mid to upper 80s in the beach communities. As we check that Guy Roofing 7-day forecast, it's weather aware on this Memorial Day. Tomorrow, 87, mid 80s Wednesday. Look at that drop in the temperatures by Friday afternoon. Upper 70s, and we're in the low 80s for the upcoming weekend. That's the weather word.